Welcome back, guys. I hope you guys are having an awesome weekend. So I'm gonna unbox this. This is a smartphone tripod holder. I got this 99 cents each. So there were only 2 left, so I purchased both of them. So let's go ahead and get this unbag. Ooh. I put this away so I don't cut myself. So I got this 99 cents each, guys. So So it has a good padding right here on the back, and then you got your rubberized teeth up and down. And this is spring loaded or retractable. Previous I did the bundle unboxing. It almost similar to this, but there's another tripod screws that you could insert on here, but this one only got 2 instead of 3. So anyway, I'm gonna do some of the comparison for the smartphone videos, and hopefully I could connect them together, and then a whole bunch of cell phones, so I could compare and then review the camera quality for you guys. Alright, guys, that's why I'm getting all these parts for it. So please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and then like this video, and then subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't do so yet, guys, and then turn on that bell for the notification. You could share this with your friends, family on social media if they are looking for the cheap 99 cents. This is 99 cents. And the reason I got this because my old tripod holder, it kept on slipping off because there's no teeth or groove right here to hold it from slipping off the holder. Alright, guys, so yeah, drop any other comments down below, guys, and then I will see you guys on the next video. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Peace.